How to fix the Samsung TV 152 error code. The Samsung TV 152 error code is a common issue that can occur on Samsung smart TVs. It indicates a problem with the TV's internet connection or firmware. To fix this error, follow these steps. First, restart your TV and router to ensure that the issue is not due to a temporary glitch. Unplug the power cord from the back of the TV and the router. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This will reset the TV's and router's systems and may resolve the issue. If the error persists, check your internet connection to ensure that it is stable and working properly. Try connecting to the internet using a different device, such as a laptop or smartphone, to see if the issue is with the TV or the internet connection itself. Next, check for firmware updates on your Samsung TV, as outdated firmware can cause the 152 error code. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu, select Support, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Additionally, reset the TV's Smart Hub, which can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu, select Support, and then select Self-Diagnosis. From there, select Reset Smart Hub and follow the on-screen instructions. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to perform a factory reset on the TV. This will restore the TV to its original settings and may resolve the 152 error code. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu, select Support, and then select Self-Diagnosis. From there, select Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. It is also recommended to check the TV's DNS settings, as incorrect DNS settings can cause connectivity issues. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu, select Network, and then select DNS settings. Ensure that the DNS settings are set to automatic or enter the correct DNS server addresses. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Samsung TV 152 error code and get your TV up and running smoothly. Remember to always check for firmware updates and ensure that your internet connection is stable to prevent this issue from occurring in the future.